What's up? So, I saw Rick Ross up here defending Cardi B and talking about that was this is that, and he's admitted to putting stuff in drinks and stuff. And I'm like, yeah, well, you stole a career. You stole a real Rick Ross's career. So look at what you did. And I'm like, why are you defending Cardi B about something that apparently, if I'm following the justice system and if it's supposed to be legit, landed Bill Cosby behind bars? Where Rick Ross at protesting to get free Bill Cosby? Because if you're gonna take up for Cardi B, then you should take up for Bill Cosby. Considering that the Cosby situation was decades ago, and realistically, Cosby shouldn't even be really doing any time if you really think about the nuances of the case, because not only were the settlements, but also the fact that it was a lot more complex than what meets the eye. And I'm not saying Cosby didn't do anything wrong, but it was a lot more complex. But if you're going to allow Cardi B to walk around here, and Rick Ross admitted to putting stuff in drinks and uh, uh, putting these chemicals in drinks and altering the state of mind is breaking the law. So how is it that you can rap about it or talk about it so freely? Where's the mute outrage? I've never been that big on rapper Rick Ross. You know, he bounced around South Beach. He just one of those cats that happen to have, Maybach music, had a couple custos, all right. But I never got the hype off that turkey. I always thought he was jive. And um and so to see him running behind Cardi B just shows me how whack weak sauce this turkey really is. Cause I'm like, that ain't nothing to be boasting or bragging about. Those some serious charges and issues. Cats ain't gonna come out per se to say, oh yeah, she drugged me, she did this. I don't think you're gonna see her surviving Cardi B. I just don't. Even though technically you could and you should, because this happened in recent memory. Unlike this overzealous, over the top, and I'm gonna say this about the R. Kelly situation, it's a decade plus. There ain't nothing new that's been, So you gotta have something. But this Cardi B thing is in recent. And Rick Ross. People here be admitting dropping their tea bags all in the cup, talking about, oh, yeah, I did this and that and the other stuff, and then but nothing happens. So how you gonna lock up Bill Cosby? You got Rick Ross admitting stuff, he's defending this. I mean, it's a sorry state of affairs, but that shows you how weak, racist, sexist, and phony the music industry is. Because they have one fraudulent rapper defending another, couple, really be honest with you, what I consider two no talent hacks, if I'm being honest, because I ain't never been feeling no Rick Ross. I thought he was kind of cornball, and Cardi B is weak sauce. So what you expect? But that's what you're dealing with in the 2019 music scene of the industry. They let this go on, and what they do. So anyway, that's my take about Rick Ross defending Cardi B. Two birds of the same feathers flocking together. Feel free to leave them comments. Hit the subscribe when the bell rings. That's a new video. Y'all have a great day. I'm out. Peace.